I'm going to explain how to sign in / connect a YouTube account and why we request the settings that we do request for said YouTube account. So we're going to start by clicking the settings button down in this the bottom right hand corner. We will then select connect. Here we're going to do the lovely thing of typing in our email address for YouTube. Now it's going to request a password from us. We'll go and grab that password and paste that sucker right in. There we go. Now that we're all logged in, it's going to ask, this is going to request YouTube read-only permissions. And the reason that we need those are so we can pull down your subscription list. We'll then want to enable push notifications, and enabling push notifications is the only way that we'll be able to send you a push notification. If this is ever disabled, it will automatically delete the token, so we cannot send you a push notification. Then we'll come down over here to filters. You'll see I've got a couple here set up. We're just going to delete this my first filter and then recreate it here. So we'll start off. We'll create my first filter. And we're going to select YouTube, add YouTuber. And here you'll see a list of every YouTuber that you are subscribed to. We go and fetch this in the background. That way you don't have to go and look up each individual YouTuber. Then we can select these YouTubers that we would like to receive push notifications about. All right, so we'll just select these people here and hit save. Now we can select the time of day that we would like to receive push notifications from those YouTubers if they create. So here I'm going to say 9 a.m. There we go, to 5 p.m. It's going to be just a nice 9 to 5 here. And then if we scroll down just a little bit further here, we can select the days that we would like to receive those push notifications. We could do every day and it will auto-populate, as you can see, Monday through Sunday. Or we could select weekdays and that will also auto-populate just Monday through Friday. And then if we select specific days, we'll see that these will automatically deselect. So it's nice and easy. So let's just do every day for ease of use and then hit save. And then that means that in this situation, I will only receive push notifications from these selected YouTubers between these hours on these days. And anytime they create a new piece of content, it will go directly to my stream. So because I've got some other filters already set up, you'll see that they all show up in here. I've created a particularly spammy one for myself. Just for beta testing purposes. So these are all the push notifications that I've received, or any content that is created outside of my selected filters. And that is what we use. That's how you sign in, set up a filter, and use the FilterMe application. All right, well, thank you for joining us today, and enjoy the rest of your day.